Hello and welcome to our Hogan Levels video series on digital transformation and law. My name is Nico Kuhlmann. I am a lawyer and senior associate at the Hamburg office. Today's topic is, what roles can AI play for us lawyers? AI is no longer science fiction. It is already part of our daily work as lawyers. But the big question is, how can we use it in a smart and useful way? AI can not do everything we can. At least not yet. But it can help us with many individual tasks in our daily work. We just need to know when and how to use it best. AI is a big and complex field with many special tools and applications. In this video, I will focus on general AI systems based on large language models that most people already use today. So, I won't go into detailed use cases for specific industries or areas of law. Instead, I will give you a general overview of how lawyers can work with AI and the different roles AI can take on to support us as lawyers. These roles are inspired by the brilliant book Co-Intelligence by Ethan Mollick. His main idea is simple. AI is not here to replace us. It is here to work with us as a partner, but only if we learn how to use it the right way. So, how can we do that? Let's take a closer look. First, think of AI as a helpful person, like a helpful assistant or junior lawyer. They want to do a good job, but sometimes they make mistakes or even bend the facts to sound impressive. That is why, just like a new colleague, AI needs good supervision and above all, clear instructions to get things right. This is where prompt engineering comes in. If you don't know how to write good prompts as a lawyer, feel free to check out my video called Prompt Engineering for Lawyers. In that video, I explain prompt engineering in more detail. Second, let's explore AI as a creative partner. Contrary to some opinions out there, legal work is very much shaped by creativity, and AI can help us being even more creative. Therefore, you can proceed as follows. The AI generates a lot of ideas, which you then evaluate, refine, and ultimately implement. For example, in trademark law, you often need to explain why two trademarks are similar. To do this, you can add both trademarks into your prompt and ask the AI to list 10 reasons why they are similar, or not, depending on what you want to argue. Not all 10 reasons will be perfect, but most will be useful. You can then improve the good ones. This approach is usually faster than thinking of all the arguments yourself. And the AI might even come up with ideas you would not have thought of. In summary, AI can be viewed as a creative co-pilot that inspires us, but does not take control. Third, you can think of AI as a co-worker. Right now, AI cannot do a whole legal job by itself. But it can help with many small tasks that are part of our work. So, the question is, which tasks should we always do ourselves? Which tasks should we do together with AI? And which tasks can we leave to AI completely? The first category is just me tasks. These tasks are important and sensitive. For example, personal talks about serious topics. Only we as humans should do those. The next and currently probably biggest category is delegated tasks. These are things we can let the AI do, but we check the results afterwards. These tasks are often boring, time-consuming, or low priority. AI can often do these faster and more easily than we can. A good example is summarizing legal documents or comparing large volumes of contracts. If you are particularly interested in this aspect, I recommend my video entitled How to Use AI to Work with Legal Documents. Third, we have automated tasks. These are tasks we fully hand over to AI without reviewing the results. This is likely to be a rather small category, especially in the legal field, at least for now. But spam filtering is an example of an automated task that you likely already delegate to an AI system without much worry. In addition, there are, among others, already a lot of applications online that provide an initial legal assessment, and all this at the touch of a button, free of charge, in real time, and without human oversight. In the future, the lines between these categories will shift, and more will be delegated and even automated. And in the end, everything that can be automated will be automated, even or especially in the legal sector. Fourth, AI can be your tutor or coach. Learning never really stops, whether you are in school, at university, or already working. AI can help you learn better and faster. It can explain complex things in simple words, answer your questions, tailor exercises, and even give feedback. For example, some AI tools can already review case solutions from law students and suggests how to improve their arguments. Or if you need to read a long legal article, a new regulation, or a complex court decision, you can ask the AI to give you a summary or a timeline. That way, you know what the text is about before diving in. And while reading, you can ask the AI follow-up questions if something is unclear to you. Personally, I also like turning texts into audio using AI, preferably into a podcast. Then I can listen to it while biking to work. In a world in which knowledge is constantly outdated, the ability to learn is more important than ever for us lawyers. And AI can help us learn faster and smarter. To sum up how lawyers can use AI and what roles it can play. First, treat AI like a person. Like any colleague, it needs clear instructions. And as a general rule, you must check its work. Second, use AI as a creative partner. It can give you lots of ideas. You just need to choose and improve the best ones. Third, let AI help you as a coworker. It can do tasks you do not want to spend too much time on. Most tasks you have to check afterwards. Some others you can fully automate. Fourth, use AI as a tutor or coach. Lawyers have to read and understand huge amounts of text, and AI is an accelerator for that. So, in short, AI helps you work faster, smarter, and more effectively. But it's important to know when and how to use it, and when not to. So, use AI wisely, start small, experiment, and do not hesitate to explore its possibilities. You do not need to be a tech expert to use AI. You just need to be curious. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.